Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of household pets. Number 1. Use steel wool to stop mice. Seal cracks or holes in wall and baseboards with steel wool which mice and other household pets cannot chew through. Here are the things in your house right now that are attracting pets. Number 2. Try ants repellent herbs. Ants dislike the strong odor of certain herbs. So try placing pots of mint, pennyroyal, rue or tansy or dried bunches of these herbs near trouble spots. You can also frequently wipe down window sills with oil or cloves or eucalyptus oil. Number 3. Keep away cockroaches naturally. To discourage cockroaches, try this onion trick. Chop one onion and combine with 1 tablespoon of baking soda and place the combo any cockroach hotspots. Other repellents include vanilla beans and dried perithrum dices. Here what really kills cockroaches and what does not. Number 4. Cover standing water. Mosquitoes are drawn to standing water. It's where they lay their eggs. This means you should cover, turn over or remove any items in your yard that can hold water such as buckets, bird baths and wading pools so that mosquitoes do not have an opportunity to nest there. This is actually one of the ways Disney World keeps mosquitoes out. Number 5. Keep flies out with basil. Flies hate basil very much, so they do not try to get closer to objects surrounded by basil plants. You can grow some basil in elongated pots and place them on the window sills inside or outside depending on the weather. Even if you don't have the space or sunlight for growing your own basil, you can certainly place dried basil to put in cheesecloth pouches. Rub them a couple of times per day to make the scent stronger, and flies will avoid going inside through open windows.